my channel. In today's video, we are going to look at the 12 stock picks by Sharekhan for Samvat 2075. Okay, so first I will say what is Samvat. I will brief you all about what is Samvat and then tell you all what is this share and the details of these 12 stocks suggested by Sharekhan. So first, what is Samvat? In India, Gujaratis and Marwaris dominate the Indian stock market. The new financial year begins on Diwali. Old account books are closed and new ones are opened. As the new year begins, in their calendar, which is called as Samvat, so which means era. On that day, muhurattrading takes place. Muhurattrading is a well-known old ritual followed by trading communities from ages. It is an auspicious one-hour trading held on Diwali and the time is specified by the stock exchange every year. It is an old belief that by doing trade during muhurattrading, a trader or investor will earn wealth and prosperity the whole year. This session is mostly held in the evening. Muhurattrading is also known as the most auspicious time for a new investor to do his or her first trade. Most of them buy stocks for their children which are held for a long term. Now we'll see what is Sharekhan. Sharekhan is one of the largest standalone retail brokerage in India and third largest in terms of customer base after ICICI Direct and HDFC Securities. Sharekhan was founded by a Mumbai-based entrepreneur in 2000. Now it is fully owned subsidiary of BNP Paribas. However, it was rebranded as Sharekhan by BNP Paribas. So, Sharekhan is basically a brokerage company in India. So, this brokerage company has picked 12 stocks for this Samvat for this year. So we'll see which are those and a detailed review of each stock. Okay, so first one is Aarti Industries. I had already made a separate video on Aarti Industries in my multi-bagger stock review. So you can see it is a good stock, so only even this brokerage has recommended the stock. So its current share price is 1260 rupees. Its 52-week low is 875 and the high is 1445 rupees. Its industry PE is 23.78 and the company PE is 29.92. It is more when compared to the industry PE. The NSE code is AARTIIND and the BSE code is 524208. The face value is 5. The TTM EPS is 42.15 and the promoter holding is 52.84% and an amount of 1255 crores has been invested by many mutual fund schemes in this particular stock. Let's look at the returns given by this stock. So for 1 year it is given as a return of 39.52, for 3 years 34.23% and for 5 years 73.01%. So the second one in the list is Britannia Industries. So everyone knows Britannia Industries. So this comes under the Wadia Group, Britannia, Bombay Dyeing, all under the same group. So Britannia Industries current share price is 5340 rupees. The 52-week low is 4400 and the high is 6934 rupees. The industry PE is 61.36 whereas the company PE is 64.97. It is more when compared to the industry PE. The NSE code is BRITANNIA and the BSE code is 500825. The face value is 2 and the TTM EPS is 87.09. The promoter holding is 50.66% and an amount of 4,193 crores has been invested by many mutual fund schemes in this particular stock. So coming to the returns given by the stock, for 1 year it is given as a return of 17.82%, for 3 years 19.808 and for 5 years 42.98%. Third one in the list is Divi's Laboratories. So this is a pharmaceutical company based in Hyderabad. The current share price is 1,234 rupees. Its 52-week low is 850 and the high is 1,425 rupees. Its industry PE is 29.01 and its company PE is 33. Even this, uh, stock's PE is more when compared to the industry PE. The NSE code is DIVIS LAB and the BSE code is 532488. The face value is 2. The TTM EPS is 36.13. The promoter holding is 52.02% and an amount of 5,859 crores has been invested in this particular stock by many mutual fund schemes. Coming to the returns of this stock, for 1 year it is given as a return of 43.03%. For 3 years it is given as a return of 4.66% and for 5 years 19.66%. Next in the list is ICICI Bank. Its current share price is 325. The 52-week low is 255 and the high is 365. The industry PE is 31 whereas the company PE is 45. The NSE code is ICICI Bank and the BSE code is 532174. The face value is 2 and the TTM EPS is 7.16. The promoter holding is 34%. An amount of 37,123 crores has been invested in this particular stock by many mutual fund schemes. The returns given by the stock is for 1 year it is given as a return of 22.97%, for 3 years 7.45% and for 5 years it is given as a return of 11.59%. Next one is IndusInd Bank. So even this bank I had made a video on the top 3 performing bank. So its current share price is 1,516 rupees. The 52-week low is 1,421 whereas the high is 2,038 rupees. The PE, the industry PE is 31 whereas the company PE is 23. So you all can see the company PE is less when compared to the industry PE, so there's more chances for the stock to grow. The NSE code is INDUSINDBK and the BSE code is 532187. The face value is 10. The TTM EPS is 63.91. The promoter holding is 16.74%. And an amount of 8,466 crores has been invested in this particular stock by mutual fund. The returns of the stock for 1 year it is a negative, it is minus 13.11%. For 3 years it is given as a return of 15.34% and for 5 years it is given as a return of 28.06%. Next is Infosys Limited. Its current share price is 658 rupees. The 52-week low is 457 whereas the high is 754 rupees. The industry PE is 21.92 and the company PE is 17.24. The NSE code is INFY and the BSE code is 500209. The face value is 5. The TTM EPS is 37.87. The promoter holdings is 12.82%. An amount of 36,681 crores has been invested by many mutual fund schemes in this particular stock. Coming to the returns, so this particular stock has given us a return of 39.99% for 1 year, 4.57% for 3 years, and 9.61% for 5 years. So the next one in the list is Jubilant Foodworks Ltd. Okay, so Jubilant Foodworks is nothing but Domino's. So the current share price is 1,231 rupees. The 52-week low is 774 rupees, whereas the high is 1,578 rupees. The PE, industry PE is 61.36, whereas the company PE is 62.32. The NSE code is JUBLFOOD and the BSE code is 533155. The face value is 10. The TTM EPS is 19.49. The promoter holding is 44.94%. An amount of 1,164 crores has been invested by many mutual fund schemes in this particular stock. So the stock has given us a return of 54.88% for 1 year, 16.42% for 3 years, and 16.25% for 3 years. So next one is Larsen Toubro Ltd, LNT. So the current share price is 1,214 rupees. The 52-week low is 1,126, whereas the high is 1,470 rupees. The industry PE is 21, whereas the company PE is 29. The NSE code is LT and the BSE code is 500510. The face value is 2. The TTM EPS is 54.86. The promoter holding is 18.58%. So an amount of 24,930 crores has been invested in this particular stock by many mutual fund schemes. Coming to the returns, for 1 year it is given as a return of 5.72%, for 3 years 6.04%, and for 5 years it is given as a return of 13.66%. Next is Larsen Toubro Infotech Limited. So this comes under the IT sector, and the previous one is a different one. This is a different stock. The current share price is 1,647 rupees. The 52-week low is 796, whereas the high is 1,987 rupees. The industry PE is 21.92, whereas the company PE is 23.62. The NSE code is LTI and the BSE code is 540005. The face value is 1. The TTM EPS is 69.70. The promoter holding is 75%. Mutual fund company investment. So an amount of 1,731 crores has been invested in this particular company or stock by many mutual fund schemes. Coming to the returns, for 1 year it is given as a return of 111%. For 3 years and 5 years it is nil because this company came into stock market very recently, nearly 1.5 years or something. So we have only the 1 year return here. Next is Reliance Industries Ltd. The current share price is 1,048 rupees. The 52-week low is 862, whereas the high is 1,329 rupees. The industry PE is 21.83. The company PE is 19.04. The NSE code is RELIANCE and the BSE code is 500325. Face value is 10. The TTM EPS is 59.69. The promoter holding is 46.17%. An amount of 28,888 crores has been invested by many mutual fund schemes in this particular stock. Coming to the returns. So this stock has given us a return of 12.23% for 1 year, and for 3 years it has given us a return of 30.17%, and for 5 years it has given us a return of 18.65%. So next is Sundram Fastener. So this comes under the TVS group. So the current share price is 522 rupees. The 52-week low is 469 rupees, whereas the high is 689 rupees. The industry PE is 33.04 and the company PE is 28.63. The NSE code is SUNDRMFAST and the BSE code is 500403. The face value is 1 and the TTM EPS is 18.25. The promoter holding is 49% and an amount of 1220 crores has been invested in this particular stock by many mutual fund schemes. The returns for 1 year is given as a return of 0.36%. For 3 years it is given as a return of 43.69%, and for 5 years it is given as a return of 70.54%. Even though for 1 year it is given as a less percentage, for 3 years and for 5 years it has grown a lot. And next one, the last one in the list, that is the 12th one in the list, is Arvind Limited. So it comes under the textile sector. So the current share price is 320 rupees. The 52-week low is 289 rupees, whereas the high is 478 rupees. The industry PE is 27.39, whereas the company PE is 26.25. The NSE code is ARVIND and the BSE code is 500101. The face value is 10. The TTM EPS is 12.23. The promoter holding is 42.98. An amount of 1199 crores has been invested in this particular stock by many mutual fund schemes. And coming to the returns, for 1 year it is in negative, but for 3 and 5 years it is in positive return. For 1 year it is given as a return of minus 19.85%, but for 3 years it is given as a return of 3.08%, and for 5 years it is given as a return of 24.97%. So these are not a stock recommendation from our side, but these are from the sharekhan brokerage company. So if at all you want to invest in any of these companies, please do your own research and then do your investment. And if you are new to stock market and you all want to start investing, start off on the muhurattrading so that you all get all the wealth and prosperity. So as I always say, start thinking and happy investing. Thank you for watching the video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified as we upload a new video. All the information provided in this channel is only for general guidance and educational purpose. Don't consider this as a recommendation from our side. Please do your own research or seek a financial advisor prior to investing. You can follow us even on Facebook and Twitter. Thank you.